Hey, so I'm heading out tonight and I thought I'd just sit down and film as I get ready to go out. I have really no idea what I'm going to do, but I'm going out and I'm kid free. So it's been a while since I've had no kids, so I'm going out with a girlfriend. We're just going out for dinner and that kind of stuff. But I'm like, yeah, it's going to be weird not having any kids around, but you know, we'll get into it. So I'm going to go first in with primer. I'm going to use the Urban Decay Optical Illusion primer. Okay, I'm going to go in with that. Yeah, so I don't know where heading out to dinner, but it should be fun. I'm happy to eat any kind of food, so I'm not fussy. So wherever we end up, we good. It's nice to sit down and have a chat. No stresses. I got Georgia messaging me from up at her dad's at the moment, so better have a look at what she's doing. We're having a gift war. Alright, so I'm going to go in with my Vanish, Hourglass Vanish stick. Let's put a bit of this on. It's always nice just sitting down and putting your makeup on to go out. It's kind of like, ooh, I'm going to dress like a lady tonight. I might not even wear jeans. I might wear something girly. We'll see. Alright, so I'm going to go in with some concealer next. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Corrector and hide these bags that I have under my eyes at the moment. It's been, this week, I tell you, it honestly has just been one of those weeks where you go, why? I'm kind of looking forward at some point, maybe sitting down and relaxing. Maybe. We'll see if I do. I'm kid free for a few days, so it'll be interesting. I'd like to just sit down and film some videos and do all of that kind of stuff. I look so pale on the viewfinder. Need a bit of bronzing up. Okay, I'm going to set that concealer with some loose powder, just using Bobbi Brown banana powder. Okay, so I'm going to go in with my Australis Fresh and Flawless and throw some of that on the rest of my face. Seriously decided I'm getting darker as I get older. And I don't go out in the sun, but I've noticed my skin colouring is changing and I'm slowly getting darker. It's kind of weird. But on the thing, I'm just look pale. And I'm not pale, I've got a medium skin tone, so I don't know. Alrighty, it must be, I don't know, I have to sort out these lights and kind of what's happening since I've moved into the corner. I think I've got to adjust something, but I don't know how to. So if you know how to, let me know. Alrighty. Okay, so I'm going to go in with some eyeshadow primer. I'm going to use my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. Let's put a bit of that on. So I'm going to dive into my Visor Golden Hour palette. I got it in the Beautylish Lucky Bag and I haven't used much of it. So this is it here. So I figured I might as well pull it out and see what I pull together. So I'm going to go in with a fluffy brush and just take the light cream. So this one here. I'm just going to set the top. And with this brown here, which I think is, oh wait up, it's got names on it. Oh. Yeah. Can't say it. That one. I'm not doing anything exciting. Pretty simple look actually. I'm just going to run that through the crease. I filmed some interesting looks the last few days. Yesterday, I filmed one of my 3 looks with the Glam Sandra's bundle, Sandra's favourites, and So I had blue eyes, blue winged liner, all of that. And I wasn't intending on doing much yesterday, and it ended up being one of those days where I didn't stop. I was back and forth doing a whole lot of things, and it's just, and you know, you forget that you're wearing this kind of probably crazy-ish makeup. And I come home at the end of the day, and I had blue like down my face, and I'm like, oh, it was a good look. But you know, I don't care. Alright, so we've got that through the crease. I might go in now on a more precise crease brush. So I'm going to go in with this red colour, reddish colour. I might move that through my crease a little bit and bring it out here into my outer lid so we can actually see it when I look up with these lovely eyes. So I'm a week into my holidays and I feel like I have not stopped. I'm like, I need to actually actively relax at some point. But I'm just not one of those people that just, I find it hard just to sit and do nothing. I want to be doing something. So I'm like, I don't know. So I'm going to try and read a book over the next couple of days. I'll read, yeah. I'm going to take a bit of that red down onto the outer V. Under my lower lash. Again, I'm going to get a bit of glitter glue and put that on my lid. Have you ever noticed, like, when you're doing things like this, you've got move the mouth too? I can't do the closed mouth thing. People that know me would say I just can't close my mouth, which is probably true. So, what am I going to do? I want to keep it quite simple, the lid, so I might take this colour here, this like champagne-y colour, and put that across. So, my youngest foster daughter is out on the phone talking to Georgia, FaceTiming her. I'm listening to them giggling and showing each other how the pets are going and what's been happening at their prospective places. It's kind of cute. I think she's been showing Georgia how the chickens have grown and how the cat's doing and the rats and every other animal in my house. I might take a little bit of that just softly into the inner corner. Then might go back to that transition brown. Just put a little bit on the fluffy brush that I was using and just sweep that across the lower lash. Try and hide my eye baggage. So I'm just going to go put on a winged liner and mascara. You don't need to see that because I've got to get close and it's not a pretty look. And I will be back. Okay, so I've just put on some winged liner and some mascara. So I'm just going to bronze up my face because it is in major need of it. I'm just going to use my Revlon Sculpt and Contour, which is part of my Project Pan. And put some colour back into this face. Alrighty, I'm just going to run a bit of brow gel. I'm just going to use the Australis brow tint through my brows. Don't want anything too drastic. Okay, a little bit of blush. I'm going to rush this because my camera battery is dying. So we're going to just go into my Tarte Blush Bazaar and pick a colour, any colour. I think I might go for Destiny down here. Oh, Dainty. Yeah, that's something I'm not. 6 foot tall. I don't think I've been dainty since I was born. A little bit of highlighter. I'm going to use the Jouer Skinny Dip. Just going to set the face. I'm going to use my Rimmel Insta Fix and Glow Go. I'm going to line my lips with Designer Brands Australia pink lip liner in Fuchsia Rose. Okay, going to put the last little bit on, which is lipstick. I'm going to use the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in Lover. Ooh, what's that? Okay, so this is it. It's a finished look. Look alright for dinner tonight. Alright, hope you enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't, and all of that kind of stuff. And be kind, be strong, and be a warrior. And I'll see you later. Bye.